Hello, my name is Asan, and today I will tell you how you can set up PayPal with your CFMS. First, you need to log in into your CFMS with the admin user ID and the password. Then click on CRM Manager, which is on the left hand side. Under Payment option, there is an option with the name of PayPal Settings. Click on PayPal Settings. Now you can select Enable PayPal, yes. PayPal ID, you can write the PayPal ID. Under PayPal API UID, you can write the PayPal API user ID. In front of PayPal API password, you can write the API password. And if you have a PayPal API certificate, then you can browse it and upload. Now below are some more options. First, it says, do you want to enable PayPal by default for all users? If you want to allow PayPal for all users, then you can select yes. Or if you don't want to allow PayPal to each customer, then you can select no, and you can enable it each customer from their view order page. Now the second is forcefully match PayPal email address with customer email address. This means if customer sign up on the website and his email address is same with the PayPal email address, then they can add funds. If you want to allow customers and if they have a different email address, then they can also add funds. If you select no, then they cannot add funds if they have a different email address. Accept payment from unconfirmed address. If any customer has a PayPal unconfirmed address, then they cannot add funds in their account. If you want to allow them, then you can select yes. Now first, match first name. If you want to allow customers, if they have a different first name with the PayPal ID and on your website, then they can add funds. If you don't want to allow them, then you can select no. Now match postal code, zip code, payment from unconfirmed address. If any customer has an unconfirmed address with the postal code or the zip code, then if you want to allow them, then you can select yes. If you do not want to allow them, then you can select no. If you want to match the last name, then you can select yes. Similarly, if you don't want to allow to match the last name, then you can select no, and you can allow the customers, if their last name is not matched with the PayPal last name, then they can also add funds. If you want to match the phone number, then you can select yes, and if you do not want to match the phone number, then you can select no and allow the customer to add funds with the PayPal if they have different phone numbers. Now this is the method which shows you how you can get the API use ID, password and the certificate from PayPal. Once you complete these steps, you can get the API and the password of PayPal, and you can fill these boxes with the API user ID and the password and the certificate and click on update. Once you click on update button, then the customers can add funds with PayPal. Thank you.